get with it. Today we got a great custom made fire. Some of y'all have seen but ain't seen in its entirety. I'm doing a pair of AirMax 90s, a WARHAWK thing. So watch me work. You know, yeah.
Ain't no way I explain my space. How I really feel when you get your way. The picture real clear and you don't need 4K. I keep the top seal, they be ready to hate. Don't get your cow peel tryna play with us, man. Gotta keep it real on the way to the bank. Gotta get a feel of that paper, man. The make a killing with the ace of spades. The Santa got me going the Matrix way. I ain't really tryna go and say today. I ain't really tryna go and suffocate. I just want my money on pronto. That ain't how I'ma spread through the honchos. She done crossed them like Rondo. Now they all wanna get a condo. Drop them jaw, baby, you know that's the intro. One car hitter coming like my kinfolk. We done buy way longer than the stendo. That ain't how we gon' bow to the end of time. Think first before you crowd that line. Think first before you waste my time. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. Make sure you're in the right state of mind. Time never slow up, make it work for me. And I bet not up, don't play with me. And we going way up, just wait and see. The top getting closer, I can really see. I know you ain't proud of a nigga like me. They tryna look down on a nigga like me. They wanna drop the crown on a nigga like me. I lay it face down on the motherfucking beat. I tried to tell you now you gotta see this flow. I tried to tell you I ain't never need no. I tried to tell you all I want is family. She know I slid out like a jet ski. She know she can't come and catch me. She claiming that her heart is heavy. I'm claiming that my heart is steady. I took you too far, you weren't ready. Permanent scars, I wasn't ready. I gotta push hard for the fatty. Ain't no way I explain my space. How I really feel when you get your way. The picture real clear and you don't need 4K. I keep the top seal, they be ready to hate. Don't get your cow peel tryna play with us, man. Gotta keep it real on the way to the bank. Gotta get a feel of that paper, man. Make a killing with the ace of spades. The Santa got me going the Matrix way. I ain't really tryna go and say today.
Oh yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, shit. Focus on the road ahead. Gotta multiply the bread. They talking like they know the kid. I'd rather get it loaded. Make sure you don't lose focus. Be about the ones who bogus. That's why I say you gotta focus, 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 focus. Yeah. You gotta focus, focus. Yeah, you gotta focus, focus. Oh yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, shit. Focus on the road ahead. Gotta multiply the bread. They talking like they know the kid. I'd rather get it loaded. Make sure you don't lose focus. Be about the ones who bogus. Blood, sweat, and tears. That my souvenir. Brain past my pills. Still got a life to live. A lot of damn years. Yeah, we still here. Been real. I can't keep still, no. Flashback date, I see it and I ain't press play. You might think I'm crazy, I'm having dreams in broad day. Took the hard way, save it if you coming sideways. God got me, I still remember all them lost days. Focus on the mission, yeah, focus on them bitch, yeah. You can't stop this mission, I be on my pivot. Tell me what's your intentions, okay, why like I get it. Why you mad I don't feel it, push it up to the gritty. They don't know which way we going, watch me put that flavor on. Dripping sauce on the tablecloth, might be hard to get it off. Show me some, I want it in lump sum. Part of that drama, I need to see commas. Oh yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, shit. Focus on the road ahead. Gotta multiply the bread. They talking like they know the kid. I'd rather get it loaded. Make sure you don't lose focus. Be about the ones who bogus. That's why I say you gotta focus, 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 focus. Yeah. You gotta focus, focus. Yeah, you gotta focus, focus. Oh yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, shit. Focus on the road ahead. Gotta multiply the bread. They talking like they know the kid. I'd rather get it loaded. Make sure you don't lose focus. Be about the ones who bogus. I work hard for the grind. Different places I shine, know it hurts sometimes. Ain't no faking with mine. You put your life on the line. Just know I'm right for your kind. Can't be wasting no time. Have 'em made of mine. Gotta focus like it's slow motion. She Pacific Ocean, and why she got 'em open? I'ma take a dive in. She just wants some money to spend. That's why I'm like, come out for my bands, like them bands with the land. And I ran with them bands, and we count out with them hands like. Swipe, 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 swipe. It's on my mind all the time, like let's get it. Riding through your city, don't mix pleasure with business. We gonna stick with it, like don't you forget it. My mind on winning, that's the outcome in the ending. Oh yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, shit. Focus on the road ahead. Gotta multiply the bread. They talking like they know the kid. I'd rather get it loaded. Make sure you don't lose focus. Be about the ones who bogus. That's why I say you gotta focus, 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 focus. Yeah, yeah. You gotta focus, focus. Yeah, you gotta focus, focus. Oh yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, shit. Focus on the road ahead. Gotta multiply the bread. They talking like they know the kid. I'd rather get it loaded. Make sure you don't lose focus. Be about the ones who bogus. Sano got the sauce, boy.
Ooh. We back. Yeah.
Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and I'm taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I got a habit of buying these Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a GOAT, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't up for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling the hate. But baby, I'm having an off day. Been working, I need me an off day. Put an X on the box, had to plug in the Sony. The way that these people, they crossplay. I come hard as a rock, put the work on the block, and my girl got an Iggy, no Andre. You can't talk about no murder if you ain't no killer. I never been into the gunplay.
That potato gon' turn a big shot to a whistle, so you never know what the gun say. I was talking the rock while you couldn't go outside, had to go out to see what your mom say. If you cheated on me, it's your loss, ain't no talking, no reason to look in your dumb face. Was it eating with me before I got my first meeting? Why should I let you in my lunch space? Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and I'm taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I got a habit of buying these Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a GOAT, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't up for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling the hate. But baby, I'm having an off day. Been working, I need me an off day. Put an X on the box, had to plug in the Sony. The way that these people, they crossplay. I come hard as a rock, put the work on the block, and my girl got an Iggy, no Andre. You can't talk about no murder if you ain't no killer. I never been into the gunplay.
Ay, vroom, roaring go zoom. Fly as a kite, taking off on the boom. You want the glitz and the glamour and glory, but you wasn't with me alone in the room. Wish I would miss, I could see in my family faces, they labeling me as a coon. 628 today, my uncle passed, I ain't functioning the same ever since when it's June. Take off your shoe when you step into me. Brand new cadet, so don't step on my feet. Hottest in Memphis, I said it, I mean it. The flow came from Gates, I'm respecting the G. You must be crazy if you bitch him out to say that you know somebody better than me. Cause it ain't nobody better than me. Jack is his birth, you ain't stepping to me. Touch up your string, get a cloak at your funeral, come at a proper, you can get folded. Just like a towel that's fresh out the shower or fresh out the dryer, I mean with your clothes. I got a mini Draco, but the clip on Colossal in case I'ma need a little closure. Coming correct is what you should be worried about, don't get smoked like a wood for exposure. Oh no, we just got lit in the party. I'm gone up the Henny and I'm taking photos. All of these rappers want bagging, so I'ma come different and call me a rose gold. I could've flooded the patty, but I got a habit of buying these Rolos. I'm rolling solo, say I just be dolo.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see a GOAT, I'm a great. Went through a lot in my life, but I'm used to it. Brush off my shoulders and watch for the snakes. I just been waiting, they saying be patient, but I need it now, it ain't up for debate. Tell me you love me when you sit in front of me, turning my back and I'm feeling it.
Alright man, hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. Hopefully you learned something or you were just entertained in the process. Make sure you like the video, you know what I'm saying? And if you ain't, follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Cadet_B7, you feel me? Make sure y'all like a picture or four, you feel me? Man, I appreciate y'all watching, man, rocking with your dog. We back. and we better than ever. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get to this chicken this year. You know, yeah. But with all that being said, I'ma catch. You hear me?
Ain't no way I explain my space. How I really feel when you get your way. The picture real clear and you don't need 4K. I keep the top seal, they be ready to hate. Don't get your cow peel tryna play with us, man. Gotta keep it real on the way to the bank. Gotta get a feel of that paper, man. The dealing with the ace of spades. The Santa got me going the Matrix way. I ain't really tryna go and say today. I ain't really tryna go and suffocate. I just want my money on pronto. That ain't how I'ma spread through the honchos. She done crossed on the like Rondo. Now they all wanna get a condo. Drop them jaw, baby, you know that's the intro. One car here to coming like my kinfolk. We done bow way longer than the stendo. That ain't how we gon' bow to the end of time. Think first before you crowd that line. Think first before you waste my time.